What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a core teaching philosophy of mine, which is form equals freedom. I believe that the more that you train your heels fundamentals, the more free you're going to feel when it comes to expressing, performing choreography. That means that in order to be the best performer you can be in this style, I invite you to show up for yourself as a technician. Today we're going to be focusing on the form behind a common heels move we all see and do. Start with your feet together in parallel. Slide one foot out in front of you. Keep the toes where they are and turn the heels slightly out. Feel your kneecaps engaging and pulling up so that the quads flex and wrap. Slowly start to curl down as far as you can without breaking your form. That means the feet don't wobble and the knees do not bend. When you've reached your max, feel the top of your head reaching towards your tailbone as you arch up, prioritizing the same thing: stable ankles, engaged knees. That's all. This exercise can be done on either leg or in a second position as you curl down and flat back up into the middle. As you can see, you can kind of start seeing how this turns from a drill into a move that we all know. More tips will be coming soon, but if you can't wait, check out my online tutorials at ZTHEORYDance.com.